Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Actually, yesterday I just spoke about my Rockstar game is not getting logged in. So I'll show you how I solved that issue. So I'm going to start this Rockstar Games launcher. So as the launcher gets started, I will just talk some nonsense maybe. So anyways, as you can see, it is already logged off. Luckily, I did not log off. So I will just type in my password. Make sure to solve this issue, make sure that you have typed in the correct password. And I have not checked this auto sign in because last time I tried that it was a big headache. Literally yesterday I was frustrated. Just make sure you are typing in the right password. I'm just not so confident. Okay, I've made sure that I've typed my correct password correctly. So click on I am not a robot, then this irritating thing will show up, man. It's so irritating, seriously. So I'll show you how to select the buses. You have to be patient. Patience is the key. Just keep your mind very calm and select the buses that you see according to this, or might show you traffic signals to be selected or buses, like need to do the relevant thing. Just be patient. It is quite frustrating, but keep yourself patient and calm. Just keep yourself very patient. Just relax yourself. So once you're done with that, click verify. It might show an error message, but still be patient. So please try again. I knew it. Again, just keep going. Don't lose your patience. This is becoming sort of a funny video, bros. I hope I'm able to log in. Seriously, this is like going to be the second time I'm trying this. I mean, this is the first time I'm trying it today, but yesterday, I'm talking about yesterday, including yesterday. So be patient and select the boxes very carefully and click on verify. Take your own sweet time, and you can see I am not a robot is done. Just relax your mind, do the thing slowly. Now just wait for about 20 seconds. How I am waiting for 20 seconds, like about half a minute, so that it registers into this form. Maybe for certain reason there might be some network issue or this or that or some connection issue. So just wait for a few seconds and then click on sign in. I hope that the password is correct. Yes, the password was correctly typed. Make sure that you have typed your password very correctly and you will get through. So don't be frustrated. The moral of the story is don't be frustrated. Enjoy the game given by Epic Games Play Store. So that's it. I hope that this video was informative and entertaining too. Sorry if I fumble here and then talking, but anyways, this is it. I hope that this video is helpful. If it was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. I'll be making a lot of more videos to entertain you guys and to keep you informed about new tutorials and to make you learn many more things. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.